you were leading the way, leading the pack. We ran 3 miles, 110 degrees, uphill in the heat.
I've been on this journey for about 10 years, trying to lose the weight. My wife is really into me now, much more.
Yeah. What about this old dude that you killed? What did he feel?
And you were talking about how Jackie grabbed your fat.
Yeah.
And I came up to you and I said, Andy, grab my fat.
I remember that.
And every time I've seen you since, I always ask you, Andy, grab my fat.
Hey guys, what's going on? Andy Elliott. Okay, so this right here is super cool. I'm here with Philip. Philip is all the way from Dubai. Do you live in Abu Dhabi?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi, which is by Dubai, about an hour away. Right?
Yes. Yeah.
Long story short, I met Philip when we were in Dubai last year. We were there for half a year, got close to him and his wife, Amy. This is so cool. So Philip joined my brotherhood and we run close, want to change his business, change his marriage, change his life. I put out an unrecognizable challenge, and it's basically a body transformation challenge. And by the way, I don't sell fitness, okay? But I'm just like, hey, if you can fix this, all the other areas in your life, it's just a discipline thing. You can fix all those things too. And so Philip, out of the 100 men that signed up to do it for a 100-day unrecognizable challenge, you guys see this picture right here of Philip? I know my team's putting it up here. This is the old Philip. This is Philip today. You guys see it? We're gonna show some B-roll of him working out in the gym, being out here with us in Scottsdale, Arizona. He's in the United States with me right now. Philip, you are the winner and you beat everybody. I know everybody sees these pictures, they're like, holy cow. First of all, can everyone do it? Did you ever think that, number one, you would become that guy and then be able to get from that guy to this guy? Tell them how you did it and then what's changed in your life. And just let's let him rip for a couple minutes.
So to answer that first question, in terms of did I ever think I could be this guy? I've been on this journey for about 10 years, trying to lose the weight, and it's been consistently inconsistent. I've always been up, I've always been down. And this year, since meeting you and since getting into your community and being around some of your team, some of the people in the community that I've met from your events and things that we've done, I've been able to find my discipline, which has brought to me the consistency. And as I was going along, my confidence became more and more, and that sort of certainty started to come throughout this whole process.
Yeah.
So when I first started, I was like, okay, here we go, another time I'm going to try and do it. But I don't know, something just happened from hearing you speak, the things that you say. It spoke into my soul, and something clicked, and it started to change because I made that decision when I met you in Dubai and I heard you for the first time. So that was, I'd say, the first sort of game changer for me. And then I got.
What did you do? Like what's the process? Like eating, working out, training. Like what had to change?
So first thing first was I got my wife involved.
Oh,
my wife Amy, she's amazing. She had a transformation a couple of years ago, and I basically got her to support me, where before I was trying to do it by myself, but this time she supported me a lot more. One of the first things that really moved the needle was getting the food right. I found a coach, shout out to Greg, the transformation coach.
That's great.
He sorted out my food. He gave me a full plan. His food it was just very good. It was tasty, and it made me stick to the plan.
It was sustainable.
It was sustainable, that's right. Then came with it the training. In terms of the training, for me, what really worked was varied training, not just doing these bro workouts that I used to do. I started boxing. Martial arts, I think, was the sort of the cornerstone.
Higher intense.
Yeah, because I hate cardio. I hated cardio. I hated running, so that I used as my cardio. Well, that cardio I enjoyed, but running, no. So that was my cardio, and with that, as I got fitter, I then started to enjoy other types of sports. So I did boxing, I did weights, and then me and my team, we got into high rocks. And that just all together kind of snowballed my training, and it made me get more into it because I saw quick results, and it just kind of snowballed after that. And then another thing that I learned from you guys was challenges. This was one of the main things. And before I did this 100-day challenge with you guys, I did challenges with guys in our group. So I would actually call somebody out, and Pasquale, talking to you, brother.
Yeah.
I would call somebody out, and I would want to compete with them.
Burpee challenges, anything.
Yeah. And when you compete with somebody, like the level there, because he would send me videos that would like piss me off and get me to go to the gym and train. I'd send him videos that would spur him on. And these challenges are sort of what tied everything together, because it just makes you so much more committed to doing it.
Yeah.
Because I'm quite competitive. So it brings out your competitive edge. But then I lost that, and it brought it back. So that was a real
drive.
Yeah.
What all, other than your body, which people can clearly see, probably helped confidence, self-esteem, your marriage, being a parent? Like, walk us through like some of the results. It's very important, because it's not just about like getting in the mirror and like looking great. I think that's a big part, but like, what are some other things that came with that?
So my wife is really into me now, much more.
I love that.
Can't keep her hands off me.
It plays into the bedroom.
Oh yeah, she compliments me all the time, and it's a lot more playful.
She's proud of you.
She's very proud of me. That was the other thing. She's now really, really proud of me, and that's made her really happy, because I was, the way how I was, that was actually disrespectful towards her, and what I let myself get into. So in terms of, I just feel much happier. I'm not angry anymore. I used to be really angry. I would flip, and I would upset people. I would be too reactive to, where things could be handled in a different way. And I believe that's changed, and people around me, especially my company, they know that, they see that. I feel like I'm a lot more level-headed. I've become, I think, a better leader, and I'm forming better relationships with my team, my family, people around me.
Yeah, because you're leading yourself.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Like, I mean, again, if we look back at this picture, of you sitting in the lawn chair, I mean, no one's going to follow that guy.
No.
No. I mean, honestly, like, and you weren't leading yourself at that time.
No.
And so now that you are, it makes sense that like people like want to look up to you, because you're the leader.
Yes.
And not because you say you're the leader, but because you're actually leading yourself, and people know when someone is or isn't.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's one of the biggest takeaways I took away from when I met you the first time, when you spoke and explained the 3 sort of levels of leadership. And step 1 is self-leadership.
Yeah.
And that's what really hit home to me, that I was like, how can I lead others when I can't lead myself? I was being a fraud compared to what I wanted to be. So that was a real switch when I heard that, and I understood that from you.
Let's end on one more thing, and I'm super proud of you, and obviously this is why I wanted to share you with the world. By the way, guys, I'm going to put his Instagram on here. If you want to go follow him, he's an amazing guy. Go hit him up, send him a message. Great job, like, he's incredible. What was it like, if we can recall for a minute, when you were this old guy? What was it like? Do you remember what that guy was like? Because, I mean, I see you now. You're fired up. You're jacked up. I mean, we all did this big, crazy workout earlier, and you were leading the way, leading the pack. We ran 3 miles, 110 degrees, uphill in the heat. An hour after that, over here, running in here with weights. We're doing everything. And the whole time, you're all excited. That's you today. Yes. And I love that. And I know that's why you're so proud of you. And you're just getting started. This next level is going to be crazy. But what about this old dude, right, that you killed? Like, what did he feel? Can you remember what he felt?
I can. He like heavy. He felt, it was just like heavy, dreary, just not happy. Unfulfilled. There was just always something missing, and also disappointment. And I would always actually, like, now looking back at myself, I understand why I wasn't a good leader. Why people weren't listening to me or taking on my advice on board at work or in what I was doing. I wasn't getting that respect. Like, I get a lot more of that now. Like, I'm inspiring my team. We all train together. We've actually opened a sports club, me and my partners. And now our company and our team are coming there to train. And we've got a few guys that are out of shape. They're all working on their fitness. We launched a company challenge. If one guy lost 24 kilos. So this journey has changed the lives of other people in my company, and it's changing their lives consistently moving forward as well.
So amazing.
So it's just it just feels like lighter and happier and more joyful, and
you feel more fulfilled now. Right? Yeah. I mean, basically that guy was dead.
And so much more energy. Yeah. Like before, I'd be tired like midday and feeling just like,
I love it.
So,
well, guys, I want to tell every single one of you, I don't know where you're at, but I know this, that every single one of you can radically, I mean, the word radically means like extremely change your life. And a lot of the times when you're that guy who he used to be, it's really hard in the beginning to get the momentum to turn into this guy.
100%.
But if you can lock in on the discipline, and if you can understand that if you just don't quit and you'll literally follow the protocol, the program, it will work.
Yeah.
Like, I see this all the time, and I know that you've been in our circle. You've seen, like, I mean, look at like Eric Hensley.
Yeah.
Like how much he's, like, all these guys are changing like crazy. And now you did it.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is, now you're here and you feel this way. Can you imagine what 6 more months is going to feel like?
Yeah.
I mean, dude, 6 more months, you're going to have a 6-pack, 8-pack.
100%.
You're going to be shredded, vascularity, lean. You're going to, I mean, it's just like new levels coming on.
Yes.
That's even more confidence.
Yeah.
It's more self-esteem. That's more self-belief.
Yeah.
You know, that's you and Amy being even more intimate, more closer, children looking up to you. You fired up with your team. I mean, dude, it's just, this is what happens when someone takes their life serious. And I love it. And so he took the transformation challenge. It was 100 days, 100 men. And dude, he crushed. And by the way, there were a lot of really good, here at the end, I'm going to show you some slides of some of the people that had transformations, but his, unreal. And you know what? We had a big vote at the end, right?
Yeah.
And it came right down to the line, and he won it. And you know what? He said this morning, I prayed, and I was like, God, come on, let your boy win. And he worked for it. And guess what? Prayer was answered.
100%.
You won, brother, and I'm proud of you. And I want every one of you to know that, listen to me, if he can do it, you can do it. I've transformed and changed my life. He's done it. I see millions of people do it every single day. Going back to the beginning, you said you made a decision. And that's just like what everybody needs to know. And hopefully some of you guys will make a decision right now. And if you do, I would love for you, here's his Instagram, I'd love for you to message him and say, hey, Philip, because he'll hold you accountable. Say, hey, Philip, I'm going to go and do a transformation like you did. And like, I want to run with you along the way.
Yeah.
You're that kind of dude.
Yeah, I'm happy to help anybody, you know, because to pass this on, tell them what I did. So
I love it.
there's just one more thing. It's a bit funny, but I remember what started it off was the first time I met you, and you were talking about how Jackie grabbed your fat.
Yeah.
And I came up to you and I said, Andy, grab my fat.
I remember that.
And every time I've seen you since, I always ask you, Andy, grab my fat.
Yeah.
And every time it's been like more. I've lost more, and I've lost more. So maybe that's the.
Yeah, Jackie grabbed my
secret.
love handle and it triggered the hell out of me. And he was like, dude, do the same thing to me.
Yeah.
And it works, because when somebody grabs your belly fat, like you do, it like sends like spiders up my spine.
You grabbed it in front of a lot of people.
Yeah. Well, because when we call each other out in front of people, it just makes us be like, oh, hell no. Like, I'm really going to do this now. We need to find that video.
Yeah, I've got it.
Okay, send me that video and we'll play it right here at the end, because I think that's an important video.
Yeah.
But love you guys. I appreciate you. I wanted to share Philip. It was an incredible, obviously you've seen his journey. It's quite impressive. At the end now, remember, message him and run and play with him. As far as like an accountability, like he's a great guy going to a new level, but send this video to someone that you know that like they need to transform, and maybe this video will inspire them to like take action and change their life. And you could be a part of that just by sharing this. So love you guys, appreciate it. Philip, thank you, brother.
Thank you, Andy.
Okay guys, God bless. We'll see you in the next video.